Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 8th Subject Science, Crop Production and Management. We are starting with protection from pests and diseases. In this video we are going to study crop protection from pests and diseases. Pests are Pests are organisms that attack and damage the crop. पेट्स एक ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं जो क्रॉप को अटैक करते हैं और डैमेज करते हैं. दे मे बी rodents, rats, insects and many more. These pests can be controlled by pesticides. We can control these harmful organisms by using pesticides. Pesticides kill the pests and their eggs without damaging the crop. Pesticides इन harmful organisms को kill कर देते हैं without causing any harm to our crop. These include rodenticides that kill the rodents, means rats, and insecticides which kills the insects. They must be sprayed manually by hand operated machine or low flying aircraft. We can spread these insecticides by hand operated machine or low flying aircraft. If the fields are large, some insecticides are BHC, commonly called gemnahexin, malathion and diaston are used as a insecticides. The modern day agriculture practices uses a huge amount of pesticides which is very dangerous for humans. Nowadays, for modern agricultural practice, a very large amount of pesticides are used to protect the crop. But these pesticides get mixed with crop and such crops are eaten by human beings which can harm the human beings and other animals. These pesticides usually get mixed with soil particles, gets dissolved in soil water and are absorbed by plants. Pesticides gets mixed with soil particles, dissolved in soil water and absorbed by plants. When we consume the fruits, leaves, seeds, etc. of these plants, the pesticides enter our body and causing the diseases. जब भी हम लोग ऐसे प्लांट्स का सीड्स फ्रूट्स इनटेक करते हैं तो हमारे बॉडी में क्या हो सकती है, प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज हार्वेस्टिंग. It is usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereals crop to mature. 3 to 4 months will take cereal crop to mature. The process of cutting and gathering of crop after its maturation is called harvesting. बेटा जब भी क्रॉप पूरा ग्रो हो जाता है फिर हम उनको क्या करते हैं, कट करते हैं और कलेक्ट करते हैं और वो प्रोसेस को हम लोग हार्वेस्टिंग बोलते हैं. वंस द क्रॉप मैच्योर्स इट इज़ हार्वेस्टेड, कट एंड गैदर्ड. इन हार्वेस्टिंग क्रॉप्स आर पुल्ड आउट और cut close to the ground. In harvesting, crops are pulled out. Some plants give vegetables roots in roots, so we have to pull out those vegetables fruits from roots. Harvesting in our country is either done manually by skill or by machine called harvester. See here, we can use a manual method of harvesting. Manual harvesting picture is shown using a skill, and for modern technique we have machines also for harvesting the field. So After the crop is harvested, the grains are after the crop is harvested, grains are separated from chaff by the process of threshing. Beta, crops are covered by thin layer which we used to call shaft. After harvesting, we used to remove that shaft and the process is called threshing. This can be done manually by striking the crop against a hard surface. See, you can see the picture. A large group of women is harvesting the crops, or by making a farm animals trample the crop. The machine called thresher is also used for threshing in large farms. A machine called combine is used. A combine machine performs a dual job. Beta, there is a modern technique machine called combine which is used to harvest as well as thresh the crop simultaneously. Such machines are called combine. It does very fast and easy work for farmer. The grain separated by the above method need to be winnowed. Winnowing helps in separation of grain from the husk. See here, the farmer is winnowing their crop to remove the husk. Husk is a waste material which should be separated from the crop. The seeds being heavier fall straight to the ground, while the light husk and the hay are blown little farther away by the wind. The main crop used to fall near to the ground, straight to the ground, and the lighter material husk is thrown farther away by the wind. Winnowing is also done by machine called winnowing machine. We can use a winnowing machine also for winnowing the crop. See here, this is a winnowing machine. Okay, from upside we used to put the crop and there is an outlet from where the husk is being separated. Thank you everyone.